Build Your Financial Wealth Workshop, and we're going to be hosting it on April 24th, 2021. And it's a virtual workshop, and we are going to be teaching you amazing skill sets to help you build your generational wealth. Especially with a year like 2020, we want to rebuild and we want to restore everything that we lost in 2020, and we want 2021 to be that transformational year. So at this workshop, we're going to be having an amazing panel of women that are going to be sharing some financial tips. We have someone that has experience over 20 years. We're also going to have a young entrepreneur sharing her journey on starting her business. What else are we going to be talking about?
Yes, you're going to learn about budgeting, paying off debt. We just want to lay the foundation so that we can have the best year with our finances. We want to let you know that you can live a debt-free life. Yes, it might take a lot of work, but it is possible. And we want to just share with you the foundations that you don't want to have any burdens. You don't want to feel any pressure or feel tied down that you owe things. We could pay things off and we could live our best life and the life that we dreamed of and not be tied down to finances. We all have a relationship with money, and it's time that we use wisdom and know how to budget ourselves wisely so that we can be intentional with our money.
Absolutely. And I think knowledge is power, and some of the keys and the strategies and the resources that we're going to be sharing with you, we spent hundreds and thousands of dollars, and we're giving it to you for a small cost. Again, it's being hosted by our not-for-profit, the Glory Girls Foundation, and you are going to learn so many things that is going to transform your whole life and even your whole family's life. So we really highly recommend that you be a part of this event. We are suggesting that you go and register right now because the tickets are selling really quickly and seats are very limited. And you want to take some time and you want to invest in your future. This is something that we always are going to all have to deal with, is finances, and we want to break some of these generational curses, and we want to break the poverty mindset, and we believe in the power of setting up the next generation for wealth. And we are going to be giving you, like Eleni mentioned, tips on financial planning. We're going to be talking about budgeting expenses. We're going to be talking about credit and debt management. We're going to be talking about building businesses and building multiple streams of income. And we are also going to be sharing biblical principles wisdom, the book of wisdom, which comes from the Bible, and it's going to be transformational. The things that you're going to learn and the revelation that you're going to gain from this workshop is going to transform your whole entire life. Sometimes all you need is one message. Sometimes all you need is one workshop. Sometimes all you need is one person that can come into your life and transform your whole entire life. And this is what happened to us, and we want to share that knowledge with you. We want to share that wisdom with you. That's the key, using wisdom. You can have a lot of money and lose it like that, but we're going to teach you how to invest and multiply it so that you can be used to be generous. Generosity is so important, and we want to be a blessing to other people. But how can you be a blessing to other people if you don't have the finances, right? Let's just be real. Money holds people back in a lot of different ways, and we don't know how to manage it. We don't know how to take care of it. But when we come together and we drop wisdom and we drop nuggets and we drop value and we drop things that are going to transform your life, it's going to take you to the next level.
Absolutely. I declare that 2021 is going to be the beginning of the best year of your life with your finances. We are going to learn how to budget ourselves wisely and use it for the kingdom and use it to live our best life and do it debt-free. It is possible to live a debt-free life. You just have to be intentional and mindful. So it's going to be a transformational time for all of us.
Absolutely. And we believe in financial peace. We believe in financial freedom. And we believe in miracles.
That's right.
And that's why we have this shirt on, and I have it on to let you know there's going to be miraculous breakthroughs in your finances, and let you know that you don't have to be like the past, but we want to go in and speak to our future and let it know that it's going to be a wealth building future, and we're going to ensure that you have those tips and those strategies. So make sure you sign up again on Eventbrite. Check it out, April 24th, 2021. It's Saturday in the morning, so we start our day right. And I'm telling you, it is going to take you to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next dimension, if you're looking to take your finances to the next level, then be a part of this event. See you then.